pure mokan.
4.
Eugene Odumayeni bia fata naketua. And ye extend the arguments in the call footballers Eugene. You should say football why ye fasu di agrono Eugene. Say oye club administrator. Oye club financier. Now Eugene, why to me ama or players the necessary financial supporter? You are giving room. Makwan say players NG Adamudie no more fan survive at the expense of the club. Dwumadie bia wa ne brofo, dwumadie bia wo ekwan a ye fa so di no. Football na ye di wan komo no. Eugene, say we team owner, we financier. Na o asambe players say omugbodi dwuma bi ma wa. It is your duty to financially make them viable as players. So what is that? We a financial head. Now ultimately a playing body the necessary financial supporter. Eugene, you are giving room for someone to manipulate your players. Enti Accra House of Folk companion for board of Accra House of Folk, management of Accra House of Folk. Say, can news be about a club at this era of Ghana footballer? It shouldn't be Accra House of Folk. Because you say this is the period that you bet me a kase since Kurt Okreku eteki over the administration of Ghana football. Eugene, this is the period you bet me a kase. There is enough money for clubs participating in the Ghana Premier League. Even not at all. After the season end, Eugene, every position now be a league table no so Eugene, you are entitled to a specific amount per position now be a Ghana Premier League name. So it is telling me say the FA is doing their right. The FA is putting in effort. Say the Bayer Sky, you should say I want from when Ghana Premier League comes to the discussion table. No, this season it has turned. It is a club be able caught into that financial burden. It shouldn't be Accra House of Folk. And Eugene also who say the utility bill, which is the light bill hostel is being financed by the players. Eugene, it's not something I was so young country has a full companion for. House of Folk area problem, everyone hailed them. Because there is no single club was such a befitting sporting facility. Until after that, 2-3 years along the line, say Musa Ebemiyo Yahweh say the players are the main architect. The players are the bona fide owners and as users of the facility. They say bear the utility bill at the hostel. Eugene, it's not right. Suppose you say player chrono where say hostel hona ye kono, you are going to foot the bill when it comes to utility bill. They are different, and then all of a sudden table nasisa enti the Extra House of Folk companion for ne say acquire House of Folk and Namsono Eugene, it's not a step in the right direction. We are very happy, we are very lucky, sir. Yentete House of Folk players say omu engage in betting. Yentete bisa. But if this thing should continue, Eugene, you are giving room for such incidents. It's your best House of Folk companion for your best House of Folk management. they should break bank and make sure say whatever arrears I was said the playing body enya bia Eugene, they have to give it to the players. Because Eugene, we will need House of Folk to compete at the highest level. Yedika can say House of Folk absence at the CAF competition, no, it's becoming always in, always out. Ye season now, House of Folk, ye per class of Bogo Jina Ghana name, and what the CAF inter-club competition now. House of Folk is not counted among those clubs. The last 3-4 seasons. The last time I'm Koya AS Bamako Eugene. And no crown omu yusu MTN FA Cup qualification slot in the Koye. After that, Eugene, House of Folk is nowhere to be found in the Ghana Premier League. Nansei Emma, Yababa season now. Yabetimi akase House of Folk is not fighting for survival. It's House of Folk company for. This is not how you started when Pubiman project ne buy. A buy mummy I say the club is moving to a different state as compared to previous state because it will be now House of Folk and players. Eugene, not omo renting omo personal apartment. And omo renting omo personal apartment, you know, issues of indiscipline, no omo intimi and control. Now the management decision they say yemu nyina momba under one shelter. Said ye beya ye betimi amane mo as a club. E ye dey na see yentia all of a sudden you say utility bills, it has to be the burden of the players. Okay. Eugene, we will not support that.
Mate,
Eugene,